Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix error 148 and 149, no lid detected. You can see, for example, when I remove the lid, of course it will indicate that error. In a moment I'll show you what to do if you have put on the lid. You can see if I turn it on, it's going to tell me that no lid was detected. In that case, you will need to first make sure that your mixing bowl is properly seated. It has to be properly assembled as well. If I twist the bottom part clockwise, I can remove it, then I can remove the blade. Now make sure the blade is properly installed. And once it's installed, twist on the bottom part. To do it, insert it at an angle like that, at a 30-degree angle, then twist it counterclockwise, and now make sure it's properly sealed like you can see here. Then put it in, make sure to properly seated, then put the lid on top, make sure it also is properly seated. You may want to press it on from the top. Make sure that if you move it like that, it doesn't really move. It can rotate slightly, but yeah, besides that, it should be properly seated, and that should help. If it didn't help, try restarting your device by pressing and holding on the power button until it says ThermoMix will be shut down now. Then wait at least half a minute after the display turns off, and later press on the button to turn the device on. I'll do it immediately without waiting, but you should wait. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.